Aubrey and I'm with Chloe today. Yeah, we're gonna stroll around the streets of Geneva. We're in Switzerland. This is the weather situation right now. Medyo maulan. Yeah, we have to run. Aakyat tayo. So yeah, medyo maulan. Naka-cute tops pa naman kami. So, we're walking around the old town of Geneva. And we're gonna show you everything. Wait. The weather isn't that good. But like, everything's so beautiful. And she's my tour guide for today. The red one is the flag of Switzerland, and the one with the yellow one is the flag of Geneva. Hi guys, so yung mountain na yun, boundary na yan ng France and Switzerland. Yes. Hi, so we're looking for something sweet. Gusto ko sana ng pancakes. Ewan ko kung may mahanap kami.
No olive oil.
So we're here. Para siyang flea market. Panini, of course.
Okay, it's okay, dude.
And the cold cuts and snacks. More fruits. These look so pretty. Geneva is so pretty. We can just sit here and hang out. Like, so beautiful. Grabe yung water, sobrang clear. Parang gusto ko nang tumalon, ganun. At first, di niyo siya makikita kasi kulay black yung parang floor niya, ganun. Pero pag tinitigan mo yung water, grabe, sobrang linis. Tapos, ang daming pogi dito. Sana, by the end of this trip, magkaroon ako ng boyfriend dito. Look how clear the water is. Grabe. Ayun yung mga bird. Hintayin natin silang mag-fly-fly. Gusto kong makita nyo silang mag-fly-fly. Okay, pinapahiya ako ng mga... Hey! Yan, fly-fly. Okay, yaan mo na sila. Anyway, sobrang ganda ng water. Grabe. Konti na lang magsa-swimming na ako. Guys, kung ma-reincarnate kayo, kung sa inyo, i-wish nyo maging BB kayo sa Switzerland. Grabe oh. They're living the life. Oh, they're so cute. So we're here in front of the Four Seasons Hotel. This spot is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Say you have clear waters and like you have the city view. Like everything is just perfect. So, look how cool this is. We're going under a bridge. It's nothing special, but like sobrang cool lang. Kasi like halos ka level mo na yung water. Wala, sobrang ganda lang talaga kasi ng water nila. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Sobrang yung tap water dito sa Switzerland. Ang sarap. Ito na ako mag-swimming. Sarap. Ang ganda ng fountain. Here, this is a nice spot. Yan, if you wanna take pictures, stroll lang kayo dun sa tapat ng Four Seasons. Such a great spot. Ito na yung mic ko, sayang. I'm looking for pancakes, pero kasi wala kaming mahanap, kaya crepe na lang. It's a bit expensive, pero tingnan natin kung worth it.
Switzerland is expensive.
Yeah. Everything is expensive. Oo. Isasali ko na lang sa vlog ko to. Kausapin ba yung mga bibe?
Ano sasabihin ko?
Kwak-kwak.
Bonjour, madam. Sorry.
Ganda.
Wala. You swim away.
Wait lang, palagpasin mo to, baka... Parang kailan lang. Parang kailan lang sa MOA lang ako nag-emote ng ganito. Welcome to Mall of Asia. Tingnan nyo, grabe yung vibe. Water, tapos ayun yung like, mga residential. Ganda. Super. Yun pa rin yung legendary fountain. Kanina ko pa siya nakikita. Maghahanap tayo ng boat owner. Charot. Lapit mo. Ay, feeling ko magandang spot for photos. Or ito. Ito, no? Ayan, papunta na to sa other side of Geneva. Yes.